all I'm doing. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Okay, grab the gloves, open, and close the garage. It has been a minute since I've taken the Grom anywhere. I haven't been on this thing, I don't think, since summer. Well, summer wasn't that far off, but definitely maybe midsummer. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so let's see. Got my package here. There we go. I'm recording. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Alrighty. And my visor. There we go. Sun buzz. Alright, what's up, guys? Sorry, a little scatterbrained on the Grom here. I on a short errand today. It's out on the pit bike. Anyway, what was I saying? I'm on a short errand today. I gotta run by the shop because my Miata back at the shop, the clutch kit done. Who is following my channel or anything, for cares or whatever, fairly recently picked up a Miata, a 2001 NB2, 5-speed for my son and I. To be kind of a project car. We've been kind of restoring it back to its original glory. Oh man, I've really jacked up this mirror. I don't know how I did that. I bumped it. There we go. Much more better. Anyway, yeah, we've been restoring this Miata and got a whole bunch of cosmetic work that we've already done, and clay bar and polish and this and that, and new top, and I put it in and got all new ball joints, bushings, everything done to it. So at this point, the only thing that hasn't been touched on the Miata is the clutch. So I put it in to get a clutch kit done. Figured it was time. It's got 144,000 miles on it. Reached out to the previous owner who had it for the last 100,000 miles, and they had never done a clutch, and just logic would state that the previous owner that only had it for 40,000 miles before them didn't do the clutch either. So definitely on the original clutch. It's a little spongy, so we're going to get a new one put in, and I am running up to the shop right now because I ordered new shift boots for it, and since we're going to be tearing everything out, I figured I'll drop out the shift boot, ask them if they can install it. Of course, they said, yeah, let's do this. So I'll give him a shout out, Daniel, All-Star Automotive here in Lake Elsinore. He has been my go-to mechanic for all my vehicles for my family to get all the jobs done that I can't do in my garage, either because of not the right lift or tool or whatever, or just time. Come on, move down. Time to wake up. In a minute.